Good morning students. Last time we saw multiplication of monomial by monomial, monomial by binomial and monomial by trinomial. Today we are going to see multiplication of binomial by binomial. Binomial by binomial. Let us see some examples. Okay, what is binomial? An algebraic expression having two terms where plus or minus sign is in between the terms. Let us take one example for that. 2a plus b is one binomial. I am going to multiply with 3a minus 7b. So what should I have to do? Again I am going to take the distributive property which we took for monomial by binomial, monomial by trinomial. Same I am going to take. How should we do the distributive property? 2a we have to take and we have to multiply with the second binomial term, first term and second term. So 2a in the bracket, 3a minus 7b. Then next step what we have to do? Then what is the sign between the two terms in the first binomial? Plus sign. So it will become plus. Then take the second term of the first binomial. Second term of the first binomial is b. Multiply with both the terms of the second binomial. So this is called distributive property. So we are going to use distributive property for multiplication of binomial by binomial. Now what shall we do next step? We have to remove. So it is 2a into 3a. Then what sign is there? Minus 2a into 7b. Then plus b into 3a. Plus into minus is minus b into 7b. So this is again it became monomial. So you know the multiplication of monomial. What we have to do in multiplication of monomial? Multiply constant with constant. So 2 into 3 is 6. A into a is what? A square. What sign is it? Minus. Again constant into constant. 2 7 are 14. A into b is what? AB. Then again what sign is it? Plus. 1 is there. 1 into 3 is 3. B into a is again down as AB. Minus sign. 7 into 1 is 7. B into b is b square. Again here you can see like terms are there. I have taught you regarding addition and subtraction of like terms. How to do addition? Only addition and subtraction is possible for like terms. You can see minus 14ab plus 3ab. So you can do addition over here. How will you do? Put 6a square like that. Take minus 14ab plus 3ab. Which is the bigger number? 14. What is the sign before it? Minus. So the answer will also take minus because rule says from a greater number you subtract a smaller number and keep the greater number sign. What is the greater number sign? 14. What the sign is? Minus. 14 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 will stay in this will equal minus 11ab. So minus 11ab. This will remain as it is minus 7b square. So this is your answer. That is 3 terms will come when you multiply a binomial with a binomial. So understood how to multiply? This is binomial with a binomial. We are using distributive property. First term of the first binomial with the two terms of the second binomial. Then put what sign is there in the first binomial plus second term of the first binomial with the second binomial. This is how we have to do multiplication of binomial by binomial. So I hope you have understood it. So came to know what it is? Okay. Now I will take one more example for this and then we will go to the exercise. Second example, let us see. What does the second example says? 3x minus 7 in the bracket 2x plus 5. This is also binomial. It is not necessary that always the second term of the binomial must be a variable. It can also be a constant. So how to do this sum when constant is given? Same we are going to do the distributive property. So what I do is first to take the first term of the first binomial. What is the first term of the first binomial? 3x. So I know 3x. We are going to multiply 3x by both the terms of the second binomial. So keep it in the bracket 2x plus 5. Then what sign is there? I told you keep minus. What is the constant? 7. Multiply with the second binomial 2x plus 5. Now we are going to multiply. How we are going to multiply? 3x into 2x. So 3x 2x. What sign is there? Plus. Again 3x should be multiplied with constant. So 3x into 5. Then what sign is there? Minus. 7 into 2x. 7 into 2x. Again see the sign. Minus into plus. I have taught you already. Minus into plus is minus. Then what will come? 7 into 5. Now monomials. What you have to do? Multiply constant with constant. Which are the constant? 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. X into x. X square. First one is over. What sign is there? Plus. Constant into constant. 3 5s are 15. What is there? X. Again constant into constant. Minus sign. 7 2s are 14. X plus 7 5s are 25. You can see these two are like terms. So I have to solve these like terms. What are the like terms? Plus 15x minus 14x. Again, greater number, smaller number. Subtract the smaller number from the greater number and keep the greater number sign. Which is the greater number? 15. What is the sign? Plus. So it will become plus. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. You got it as 1x. Usually we won't write a 1 before the x because it is understood. So our answer will be is equal to x only. So what is what? 6x square plus x minus 35. So came to know this is how we have to do multiplication of binomial by binomial. Any doubt is there? Okay. Now we will go to the exercise where binomial by binomial is given, and it is on page number 100, and the exercise is binomial by binomial. So exercise 6.4, binomial by binomial. So first sum I will write it down. First name is multiply. So what the first name given? I will see. So first sum I will write it down. First sum is 2x plus 5 into 3x minus 3. First sum. So 2x minus 5 into 4x minus 3 is the first one. How to do? I taught you in the worked examples. 2 examples I have done. How I have taught you? So I have taught you in the worked examples. What we have to do? Take the first term of the first binomial, multiply with the both terms. So 2x into 4x minus 3. What sign is there? Plus. So put plus sign. 5 multiply 4x minus 3. Now what we will do? More 2x should be multiplied with 4x. So 2x into 4x. Then what sign is there? Minus. Again 2x should be multiplied with 3. So 2x into 3. Then what sign is there? Plus. 5 into 4x. Plus into minus minus. 5 into 3. Again monomial into monomial. Take the constant. 2 4s are 8. X into x. X square. What sign is that? Minus. Constant. 2 into 3. 6. X will remain as it is. Again what sign? Plus. Constant. 5 4s are 20. What is there? X. Minus 5 3s are 15. So got it? Now again you can see here. What is there? Like terms are there. So I have to do. I will do the working column. Minus 6x plus 20 minus 6x plus 20x plus 20x. Which is a greater number? 20 is greater number. What sign is there? Plus. So the answer will be also plus. So from 20 I have to subtract 6. From 26 goes, how much remains? 20 minus 6 is 14. So I got it as plus 14x. So 8x square will remain as it is, plus 14x, and minus 15 will remain as it is. This is your answer. So came to know how to do it. This is how we have to do the sum. Okay, let us see the next sum and let it mean. Sometimes fractions will be given to you. So how will you do when fractions are given or decimals are given? 2.5L is given. See here, it is a decimal number. 2.5L minus 0.5M is one binomial. Second binomial is 2.5 plus 0.5n. So this is what given over here. So let us see what we have to do. Same method we have to adopt. Take the first term, multiply with the second binomial. Take the second term, multiply with the second binomial. So 2.5l in the bracket, 2.5l plus 0.5m. So first term, second binomial. Second term, second binomial. What sign is there? Minus. So put minus 0.5m in the bracket, 2.5l plus 0.5m. So it's over. Now again, 2.5l should be multiplied with 2.5l, then 2.5l should be multiplied with 0.5l. So first what we write down? 2.5l into 2.5l. What sign is there? Plus 2.5l into 0.5m. So first multiplication of first distributive property we have done. Second also we are doing it the same way. What sign is there? Minus 0.5m into 2.5l. Then minus into plus is minus. So 0.5m into 0.5m. Now what shall we do? Multiplication. Very important is here. When decimal point multiplication is there, we have to be very careful. 2.5 to 2.5 is, it is 25 into 25. Already squares and square roots you have learned. 25 square. How much is 25 square? 625. So 625. But decimal point is there. How many places? 1, 2. So when you put decimal point, you have to always come from right hand side to left hand side. After 2 places, you have to keep the decimal. 1, 2. So it became 6.25. What is the answer? 2.5 to 2.5. First, remove the decimal. Take 25 into 25. You have learned square numbers. What is 25, 25? 25 whole square is 625. But this is the decimal point. You have to put the decimal. How will you put the decimal? Count how many decimals are there? 2 decimals. So from right hand side, count 2 decimal places to what? 6.25. N into N is what? L square. So 6.25 L square is what the answer. Next, plus 2.5 into 0.5. So plus 2.5 into 0.5. I will do here 2.5 into 0.5. 5 5s are 25, and 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. How many places of decimal? 1, 2. So how much I got? 1.25. So plus 1.25m. So what did how I did? Here L is there and M is there. So what will become L into M is LM. This is not 1. This is L. Don't forget that. Don't take it as 1. It is L. So it became as 1.25 LM. Next, same it is. See, 0.5, 2.5. 0.5, 2.5. Answer is same. What the answer? Minus 1.25 LM. Now here what sign is that? Minus. Again 0.5 to 0.5. Square numbers. 5 5s are 25. How many places of decimal? 2. From right hand side count. 1, 2, 1 and put 0. M into M is M square. Here you see plus 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM. In algebra 1 rule is here. Same constant, same variables. One is positive, one is negative. It will get cancelled. That is the rule. What the rule says? Same constant, same variable, one is positive and one is negative, it gets cancelled. So this will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 6.25 L square minus 0.25 L square. So 6.25 L square minus 0.25 L square. This is your answer. So remember, one clue I will give you. See, 2.5L, 2.5L. First term is also same. 0.5M, 0.5M. Second term is also same. One is minus, one is plus. When such binomials come, always remember the answer will be in square only. Don't forget that. It will be always in square. So what is your answer? 6.25 L square into minus 0.25 M square. Third sum I will do. So one sum I have done with constant, second sum I have done with decimals, third sum I will do with fractions. So how to do with fractions? The multiplication of binomials. 3 by 4 square plus 3b square. 1 into a square minus 2 by 3b square. This is also the same method we have to do. What we have to do? Take first term, multiply with both the terms of second binomial. Take the second term and multiply with both the terms of the second binomial. So 3 by 4 a square into a square. 3 by 4 a square minus 2 by 3b square plus 3b square into a square minus 2 by 3b square. So got it. So now 3 by 4 a square into a square. 3 by 4 a square into a square. Plus into minus is minus. Then 3 by 4 a square into 2 by 3b square. 3 by 4 a square, 2 by 3b square. Plus sign. 3b square into a square. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 2 by 3b square. So can you know how it is? Okay. Now I write over here this one. And I write up over here the remaining things. 3 by 4 will remain as it is. A square into a square. What we have to do? Put a as it is. Square and square. Add the exponents. 2 plus 2, 4. So it became a to the power of 4. The base is same. So a keep the same base and you have to add the exponents. A 2 plus 2 is 4. So it became a to the power of 4. Plus sign. Next is what? 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So I will show over here. 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Multiplication of fractions. Rule says multiply numerator with numerator. 3 into 2. Multiply denominator with denominator. 4 into 3. What is 3 2s are 6. What is 4 3s are 12. You can reduce it. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. You got it as 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Then what is that? A square, b square. So a square into b square is a square, b square. It won't become a to the power of 4, b to the power of 4. They are unlike terms. So multiplication of unlike terms will remain as it is. Next, what sign is that? Plus. 3b square a square is 3a square b square. I can write it down because here a square is there, so I have taken a square first. B square is there, I have taken b square. So this will become like terms. So I have changed it. Next step, minus 3 into 2 by 3. This also I will show how you have to do. 3 into 2 by 3. Nothing is there, means 1. Again the same way. Numerator into numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 2s are 6. 1 3s are 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So it will become minus 2b square. So got it done. Now these two are like terms. So we have to solve that and then only we get the final answer. What are like terms? Half a square b square plus 3a square b square. So it is 1 by 2 plus 3a square b square. Nothing is there 1. You can't add it because there is whatever it is. Here denominator is not there, here denominator is there. We have to make the denominator same. So what is the denominator? 2 1s are 2. Then what do I do? Take the first fraction. Multiply with the LCM. Plus take the second fraction. Multiply with the LCM. A square b square will remain as it is. So what type of 2 will cancel? 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 1 2s are 2. It will be you can cancel 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6 by 2. A square, B square. 1 plus 6 is how much? 7. So you will get the answer as 3 by 4 a to the power of 4 plus 7 by 2 a square b square minus 2 b square. So this is 7 by 2. This will become. So came to know this is how we have to do when we are multiplying what? Fractions. We have learned to multiply fractions, decimals and constant. It is a natural number or it is a whole number. Got it up. Now next time we will see binomial by trinomial. That is next time we will see regarding it. And the remaining sums of the exercise you have to do as homework. Thank you children.